Topic 7.2 Natural Selection. So, natural selection is a process in which individuals with favorable inherited traits are more likely to survive and reproduce. So, four requirements for natural selection is competition, variation, adaptation, and heritability. So, for competition, more offsprings must be produced than can be supported by the environment. Variation is when offsprings must be produced with traits that differ from one another. Adaptation is when certain variations have more advantages than other variations, and some individuals must be more likely to survive and reproduce. Heritability is the favorable trait or adaptation, and it must be genetic and capable of being inherited by the next generation. Some key terms are selective pressures, which are biotic or abiotic factors influencing survivability. So, an example of this would be diseases, climate, or food availability. And then we have fitness, which is an organism's ability to survive and reproduce. Okay, now topic 7.3, which is artificial selection. Artificial selection is a process by which humans select desirable traits in other species and selectively breed individuals with the desired traits. So an example of this would be like when farmers they breed crops to get a certain or exotic crop, and usually the results of artificial selection would they have phenotypes that otherwise wouldn't exist in nature and often leads to more or less genetic diversity depending on the results of the breed. And then convergent evolution is the evolution of similar or analogous features in distantly related groups. So the similar environmental conditions select for similar traits in different populations or different species over time.